Bingo bango bongo. Audio levels look too high, but fuck it. Alright, so today we have this good old tutorial requested by my homeboy right here. I thought I was gonna have like 0 time today, but looks like I'm procrastinating as usual. Welcome to my life. If you want to copy the color grade, that's fine. Make your own preset out of it. Go for it. So let's go. Alright, so pretty sure that's good enough. Alright, now we're just gonna go ahead and port this over to Photoshop. So go ahead and just right click, go down to edit in, and then edit in Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. So what we're gonna do is create a new layer, and we're gonna do that by hitting Control J. That duplicates it, and then we're just gonna call this BG. Now, so for this tutorial, we're going to be using some assets, and I just went on the internet and downloaded some. Alright, so now we're just going to go to assets, and then here we have the stuff that we're going to be using. Alright, so now we're going to start off with the light leaks first, so we're just going to click, drag that into Photoshop. Boom. Alright, now just press enter to confirm that transformation. Now, what we're going to do is turn this into a screening layer. Forgot that Photoshop changed the scaling. It's been like that for years, where you have to press shift and drag to constrain dimensions, but now all you do is just drag it with the mouse. So we got this light leak right here, but I want to do it on this side, so we're just gonna do a little flippity floop. Get that right there. So this is a super simple tutorial. I mean, I'm not going anything real crazy. I'll lower that opacity. And then we're going to go get our eraser tool by pressing E. That's a magic eraser. So we're just going to get that. Make sure it's on brush. We're going to have a soft edge on it. We're going to turn the flow down a little bit to get it to be a softer brush. Okay, and we'll rasterize that. Should have turned into smart object, but who cares for proper Photoshop etiquettes. So we're just gonna lightly, it's loading. More RAM. That's okay. So that's good enough to me. So we're just gonna, still doing this thing. Okay, we're done. So that's done. We're just going to duplicate this layer right here, and then what I did in the original photo is I flipped it around like this, and I did it like that, and then do some of that. And there we go. So now we're just going to convert, after it's done transforming. Alright, now so we're gonna add the leaves. So I'm started off with this one. So that's about where it should be. There we go. Now what we're gonna do is get rid of what we don't want. And honestly, for the light leaks, I should have done this. But we're gonna create a layer mask, and then we're gonna go to the brush tool. So hit B for the brush tool. We're gonna go and mask this out, the bottom part. Get rid of that right there, and I think that's good for that. Go to file again, and then we're going to go to and put this in a Photoshop. Magic eraser tool, yeah. Destructive editing. What's new? Get rid of that part. We want these leaves in the foreground of our image, so what we're going to do is go to File, Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, boom, bingo bango bongo, put some blur on that shit, bang, and that's it. Just that's all she wrote. That's how the image was done. Super simple. Obviously I could have done a better job, but this is just really fast and quick. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this this tutorial. Hopefully the audio was good, because you know, your boy didn't even pay attention to that.